Hey, I just got this Alpine PWE-S8 powered subwoofer. I got it for the Jeep. Wanted to add a little bit more bass. Not really sure where I'm going to install it yet. This is just going to be a quick unboxing video, see what's in it. But yeah, I was able to get this on Amazon for $189, and I see today that it went back up to $259, so definitely keep an eye on it. It does go up and down. So looks like we got some manuals, not much there. We have the unit itself. Oh, it is heavy actually, much heavier than I expected, but here it is. Get a measurement there in a second, see what else comes with it. Put it right here. And then get a knife. Let's see what's in here. Looks like the power harness and also the speaker if you were doing line in. I'm going to do RCA in, so I'm only going to use the power and the remote in. Looks like I'm going to have to buy a power cable to go to all the way to the battery of the Jeep. So I wasn't really sure what was going to come with, but that's definitely not long enough for that. Does come with the, I guess, sub control, some hardware for mounting. Figure that out. I'm thinking of mounting it right under the glove box. See if I can come up with something there. And we have some Velcro. Oh, probably for the remote control for the sub levels. And then we got another fuse. I wonder if there's a fuse in there or not. Really, that's all it comes with. Not really much. Give me a second. Let me get a tape measure. You know, it's about a little over 13 inches. 13 1/4. And about 9 inches. A little over 9 inches deep or wide. And just under 3 inches. Let's see, I don't know, did I catch that? Just 3 inches tall there. So yeah, I'm excited. Looks like I'm gonna have to get some RCA cables, power cable to go from the battery to it, and maybe a power block as well. So in case you're interested, like I said, you can tap into your speakers for signal in, but you do have RCA as well. And what is that? Is that a ground? Maybe that's for ground. I'm not really sure what that's for. But you have your remote in, and I think this is if you want to override the bass level. So I think one way is for the remote, the other way is for the adjustment and the gain knob there, and the bass level knob. Yeah, let me get a flashlight. Hold on. See if we can capture this a little better here. The text is very light. Okay, there we go. So you got low pass filter and sub gain, and then you have a phase button. So yeah, that's really all that's back here. Not really much. Hoping that it has good bass. And like I said, I'm trying to figure out where it's going to go on the Jeep. I really want it under the on the front seat and beside the glove box, but I'm not really sure how to mount it there. Might just install it all the way in the back, because I only have a 2-door Jeep, so I don't have any room under any seat because of the way the seats work. So I may mount it in the trunk area just to see if I even like it. All right, so the speaker has these little brackets here, which I'm thinking of installing maybe a piece of wood or something on this side, and on the other side, and there's a shelf right underneath the radio where I think I may be able to run a mount from one side, from the passenger side all the way back, and still have plenty of leg room. The only thing it's going to impact is that the air conditioning vent for like the feet and stuff is there. But I think it's going to be far enough where it's not really going to matter. So, like I said, I'm starting trying to figure it out. If not, it'll probably go in the back cargo area where maybe do a custom box back there. What I really don't want to lose is the functionality of the Jeep and being able to fold down the seats, and or actually even take out the back seats and have be able to go to Home Depot and get some, have some storage back there, or be able to move things, or so I really looking to not hinder that. So anyways, talk to you guys later. Keep you updated.